Oh, I'm out here in Hurricane Florence, 2018. Whoa, he knocked down the tree branch. God, it knocked down the bird. Out here in Florence, 2018. You know, I'm out here. Just, don't you hear the wind? There's massive flooding out here. Massive flooding out here in Hurricane 2018 Florence. Look at all this flooding. Look at the flooding. It's flooded out here. Get my phone wet. Whoa. The wind's blowing. See the trees moving? It's blowing me everywhere. So out here is Hurricane Florence. Hurricane Florence. Florence. Knocked down the bird's nest. Broke the tree. Broke the tree branch. See, you broke the tree branch. We're out here. Hurricane Florence. It's just Hurricane Flony. Hurricane Florence 2018. Watch out.